First, fill 550 milliliters of water into the pot. Pot on the stove, let it boil. Open Atomy potato ramen and put the flakes into the pot. Atomy potato ramen's flakes consist of shiitake mushroom, green onions, carrots, and seaweeds. These flakes will add flavor and richness to the soup. Next, the soup powder goes in. Atomy potato noodle is pretty spicy. Can you handle the heat? Now, let it boil. Meanwhile, let's prepare some garnishes. First, cut some green onions. Next, crack one egg and beat it. Once the soup starts to boil, put the noodle into the soup. Atomy potato ramen noodle is made out of potato starch and potato powder. This is the reason why the noodle is so chewy and soft at the same time. One package of potato ramen contains approximately 5 potatoes.
Wow!
Before the noodle is fully cooked, take the noodle out of the pot and into a bowl. Let the soup continue to boil, and it's time to put the chopped green onion and the egg into the pot. Now, let's pour all of this amazing flavor into the bowl.